virtual attendees are in for a treat this February. Vision 2024 is a series of rapid fire sessions highlighting various hot topics in the field of venous and lymphatic medicine. Topics include management of superficial venous disease, updates on ulcer management, also updates on venous thromboembolic disease will be discussed. And I can't leave out pelvic venous insufficiency. So healthcare providers from all fields should really tune in because we see these patients all day, no matter which medical specialty you practice in. Not only are these hot topics in venous and lymphatic medicine, they're hot topics in all of medicine, and they're being presented by some of the best in the field. So no matter what healthcare specialty, this one-day event will catch you up on all the hottest topics in vascular medicine and absolutely bring value to your practice.